Hey everybody, what's up? Kim from KB Tech Ed here. GarageBand on iPhone and iPad are so easy, only if you know how to set them up and how to use them. So let's get started and learn the basics. To open GarageBand, we're going to tap on GarageBand. To create a new song, we're going to tap Create Song. If you want to stay organized, you might want to open folders so you can put things where you need them to go, but right now we're going to tap on Song. You have a lot of different options. Two things you have to change right away. Up in this plus sign, change this section to say automatic, so your song can be more than 8 bars. Go to your settings gear. Here you can change your tempo, your key signature, your time signature, how your metronome reacts, and if you want a fade out of your music at the end. This is my record button, my play button, my rewind or my stop button. This will be my equalizer. This takes me to my tracks, this changes my instruments, and this takes me back to my project manager. This white scrub head will tell me where I am in my tracks. There is an autoplay on many of the different instruments. There are several different settings you can choose from. Most of the instruments have a button you can choose to change your instruments or your settings inside your instruments. If I go to my tracks, I can expand this track. I can go ahead and change the volume of the track. I can mute the track, or I can add a track. Adding a track is simple. You simply tap the plus sign and choose a different instrument, and now you can record and add that track as well. If I don't like a track and I'd like to remove it, I tap on the track once and I tap delete. That's how you get started in GarageBand.